Hello students, welcome to my grammar class. So today our topic is synthesis of sentences. So what is synthesis of sentences? So don't get surprised after hearing this topic. So synthesis of sentences means combining of sentences, means combining of two sentences. It can be combination of two sentences. So how can we combine two sentences? With the help of conjunction, right? Or with the help of WH word or question. So synthesis of sentences. So when we combine two sentences, there are some rules. We have to know it and remember it. Today we will learn how to combine the WH questions. Okay. So in a sentence which is given to combine, if there is WH question in one of the two sentences, then we should combine the sentence by using that given WH question. Normally we combine the combine two sentences by using the conjunction. But if in a WH question, if there is a WH question, then we should use the WH question to combine the two sentences. We don't need to add any conjunction in that sentence. So let's take an example. Let's see with the help of an example. Where does he live? Do you know it? So here in this sentence, how will change this sentence? First of all, we should try to make this sentence to assertive. So we should write the WH question in the last, and this sentence we should write in the first. So we will write, do you know? Do you know? This it should be removed. Okay. So we will not write the it here. Do you know where? So we should use the WH question, that is where. Where? So here there is one rule which you have to remember. If there is thus in the WH question, then we should remove it. Okay, we should remove this thus and we should add S or ES with the verb. This is the verb here, so we should use S or ES with this verb. So remember that rule. Do you know where? The thus will be removed. Then we will write he. Should add S or ES with the verb. He lives. So this is the solution. And here you have to see whether we have to put here full stop or question mark. So remember here, if there is question mark in both the sentence, there are two sentences in the question, right? So in the question, if in the both the sentence there is question mark, then we have to put question mark in the answer also. So do you know where he lives? This is the answer. Let's see another example. Let me see. What are you making? What are you making? So in this sentence, how we will solve it? We'll write, let me see what are you making? We have to write, sorry, the full stop is not needed here. Let me see what here. Another one rule you have to remember here. If there is auxiliary verb in the sentence, then we have to place it after the subject. So here are is the auxiliary verb here. So we have to put this auxiliary verb after the subject. So here you is the subject here. So we have to write you first, then we have to write are, what you are making. This is a small thing, you have to remember it so that your answer may be correct. So here we have to put full stop because here only one sentence is WH question, the another sentence is assertive. So here we will put full stop. Let's see another one example. When did he come? Do you know it? Do you know it? So here in this sentence, how we will change it? We will write the WH question in the last, and this do you know we will write in the first. So we will write do you know when. So here another one rule you have to remember. If there is did in the WH question, then we should remove it. Okay, we should remove the did and make the verb to the past form. This is the verb here, come is the verb here. So we should remove the did and make the verb to the past form. So here the answer will be, do you know when he come? If we make the word to past, it will be came, right? So it will be came. Do you know when he came? So here both the sentence have question mark, right? So we will put here question mark. Do you know when he came? So this is the answer. So let's see another one example. Let me know how have you done the work. So when we solve this sentence, I will write, let me know how. So here have is a auxiliary verb here. So I have told you there is a rule. If there is an auxiliary verb in the sentence, then we have to place it after the subject. So here you is the subject here. So you we have to write first. So how you have done the work. So this is the way how we will how we will combine two sentences. Let me see another one example here. What is the man doing? Tell me. What is the man doing? Tell me. So here in this sentence, how we will change it? Tell me where. Tell me what. So here is the auxiliary verb. So we have to write, tell me what. The man is the subject here, so we will have to write the subject first, then the auxiliary verb. So we have to write the auxiliary verb after the subject. So we have to write, tell me what the man is doing. So this will be the right answer. Let's see another one example. Tell me where is the post office. So in this sentence, if you combine, we have to write, tell me where the post office. The same way, is the auxiliary verb, so we have to write it after the subject. So tell me where the post office is. This is the way how we change the WH question. Okay, how we will combine the WH question. So here another one thing you have to remember, if in a WH question, so if the WH question, if there is who, so here it is what, here it is when, right? So if instead of them, if there is who in any one of the sentence, either this sentence or either this sentence, if any one of the sentence, if there is who, then we have to continue the same sentence. That means we cannot change the sentence, it will remain the same. Let's see an example of that type. Do you know it? Who has completed the work? So here in this sentence, in the second sentence, there is who here. So if there is who, then it will remain as it is. Let's see how. Do you know it? It will be removed. Do you know who has completed the work? Here it remained the same. This sentence will not change, it will remain as it is. So do you know who has completed the work? So this is how we combine the sentence. So I hope you understood a little bit how to change the WH question. Okay, so we'll continue our classes. So in our next classes we will learn how we will combine two sentences with the help of conjunction. Okay, so I'm ending the class today. Thank you.